What's going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter on your IDI. This one's a 6.9 liter. It's going to be the same for the 7.3. I see a lot of guys online saying I'm new to diesels, I don't know this, I don't know that. That's fine. Hang in there. I remember being there. You're probably overthinking it. You'll get it. We're going to start off simple. Fuel filter's right here. You get some of these or some big channel locks, and we're going to loosen it. And then we're going to take the rest of the way off by hand. Try not to drop it. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fill it up with a little bit of automatic transmission fluid. All right. And we're going to use this to help clean out the pump, the injection pump, and the injectors. This is my first time doing it. I hear it makes a difference. I'm going to find out. And you want to fill this all the way up and minimize the amount of air that's in your fuel system, or you're going to have a harder time starting it. I have an electric pump, so I'm not going to have as much of a problem. I also was just running the truck a minute ago, so it should be nice and warm. All right, let's say that's full. Rub some around the O-ring so it doesn't get bound up when you're putting it on. All right, get it good and snug. And now, because I have an electric pump, I'm going to get in and start it right away, because this is going to start pumping as soon as I turn the key. And I don't want to get it pushed past back into the fuel tank. I want it sitting in the injectors overnight. But if you have a mechanical pump, you can go ahead and wait for your glow plugs to heat everything up. That's why I said I've got the engine good and warm, because I'm going to have to go in and start it right away. I'm just going to start it, let it run for a couple seconds, and then it's going to sit overnight. It should clean things out. And that's it. High five, you did it. Thanks for watching.